Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class. In previous class, we have studied about the solution and its properties. Today, we will discuss the concentration of a solution. The concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in a given quantity of a solution. Means दी गई क्वांटिटी के सॉल्यूशन में सपोज किया जाए 100 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन में जिस अमाउंट में भी सॉल्यूट को डिसॉल्व किया जाता है, that is known as the concentration of a solution. Let me discuss with the help of an activity. For it, we have taken here the two beaker A and beaker B with the some amount of water in it. Now, in first beaker, I have taken 5 gram of sugar as a solute. So you can see here in the form of particle, and the sugar solution is there. Similarly, in second beaker, I have added 10 gram of sugar as a solute. You can see here, and it is also the sugar solution. Now, what happened there? If we compare the quantity of sugar, then we can say that in the second beaker, the amount of solute is greater or larger as compared to the first beaker, because here we have taken only the 5 gram of sugar as a solute, while in second beaker we have taken the 10 gram of sugar as a solute. And that's why on the basis of the concentration of the solution, we can say that there are the two types of the solution. Number one, the dilute solution. Number two, the concentrated solution. Number one, the dilute solution. A solution having small amount of solute is called dilute solution. We can see in the first beaker where we have added the 5 gram of sugar only. While the concentrated solution, a solution having large amount of solute is called concentrated solution, and we can see here in the second beaker where we have added the 10 gram of sugar. Now, the methods to express the concentration of a solution. Students, there are the various ways of expressing the concentration of a solution, but here we will learn about only the two methods. Number one, mass by mass percentage of a solution is equal to the mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. And the second method is mass by volume percentage of a solution is equal to the volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Students, here are the two various methods, different methods, and these two out of them, the first method is used if the solution is of solid solute dissolved in a liquid, then we consider the mass percentage of solute in calculating the concentration of a solution. While if the solution is of liquid solute dissolved in a liquid, then we consider the volume percentage of a solute in calculating the concentration of a solution. For example, a solution contains 40 gram of a common salt in 320 gram of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of a solution. Now we calculate. First we will write the given. As a given, मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट, और अपने पास में सॉल्यूट क्या है, नमक, इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज 40 ग्राम 320 gram, it gives 360 gram. Now we know that, फॉर्मूला आपने पता है, we know that concentration of a solution is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution multiplied by 100. Here mass of solute 40 gram, mass of solution 360 gram, multiplied by 100, 0, 4 1 जा 4, 4 9 जा 36, then 100 upon 9%, and if I divide 100 by 9, then I will get 11.1%. So children, the concentration of the given solution is 11.1%. Now types of solution on the basis of solubility. तो children, सबसे पहले solubility का मीनिंग देखते हैं. What is the meaning of the solubility? So we define it. Solubility, the maximum amount of solute which can be dissolved in 100 gram of solvent at a given temperature is called solubility. Means 100 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट के अंदर जितना मैक्सिमम अमाउंट में सॉल्यूट को डिसॉल्व किया जा सकता है किसी एक स्पेसिफाइड टेम्परेचर पर, किसी गिवन टेम्परेचर पर, देन दैट term is known as that property is known as the solubility. Now on the basis of the solubility there are the following types of the solution. Number 1, unsaturated solution. Number 2, saturated solution. Unsaturated solution, a solution in which more quantity of solute can be dissolved without raising. raising का मतलब increase करना, बढ़ाना, बिना टेम्परेचर को बढ़ाए, without raising temperature, then it is called unsaturated solution. Means अगर किसी भी solution में जो है वो और ज्यादा solute को dissolve किया जा सकता है, then such type of the solution is known as the unsaturated solution. For example, अगर मैं sugar solution बनाती हूँ और मैंने sugar solution बनाते समय I have added only what in the 100 ml of water I have added only the 10 gram of water, 10 gram of sugar or only the 1 teaspoon of sugar. Why I may add 1 more teaspoon of sugar in it, it will be dissolved. But my requirement is only the 1 teaspoon of sugar dissolving in water. That's why I have made the solution only by the 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then such type of the solution is known as the unsaturated solution. Number 2, the saturated solution, a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at that temperature is called a saturated solution. सपोज किया जाए अगर हम जो है एक ग्लास वाटर लेकर के और उसके अंदर 1 टीस्पून शुगर ऐड करते हैं, दैट विल बी डिसॉल्व्ड. सेकंड टीस्पून और उसमें ऐड करते हैं, इट विल आल्सो बी डिसॉल्व्ड. 3 चम्मच शुगर ऐड कर देते हैं, इट विल आल्सो बी डिसॉल्व्ड. बट अब अगर हम फोर्थ टाइम सेम 1 टीस्पून अगर शुगर डालते हैं, देन व्हाट्स हैपेंड देयर कि द शुगर विल गो एंड सेटल डाउन ऑन द bottom as a sediment. Why? Because the solution have no capacity to dissolve more sugar, that is the excess sugar, and such type of the solution is known as the saturated solution. बिल्कुल आप डायग्राम से भी इसको देख सकते हैं कि हमने जो है वो एक बीकर लिया, इसमें अगर मैं 10 ग्राम शुगर ऐड करती हूँ, then it will be dissolved easily. Then more 10 gram of sugar, it will also be get dissolved in it. But now if I want to dissolve more 10 gram of sugar in it, then what's happened here? That sugar goes and settle down on the bottom as a residue. Why? Because now this solution has no capacity to dissolve the more sugar, and that is known as the excess solute, excess sugar, and so such type of the solution is known as the saturated solution. अब अगर इस सॉल्यूशन को हीट किया जाए, मींस आई मीन अगर टेम्परेचर राइज कर दिया जाए, टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज कर दिया जाए, देन व्हाट्स हैपेंड दैट शुगर विल बी डिसॉल्व्ड. मींस एक चीज और समझ में आती है कि solubility can be increased by increasing temperature. Now I pour it again slowly. Then what's happened? जैसे जैसे सॉल्यूशन ठंडा होता जाएगा, वैसे वैसे ये शुगर पार्टिकल्स जो हैं वो अपनी को फिर से मूवमेंट मिलते चले जाएंगे. ओके, एंड दे विल गेट सेटल ऑन द bottom of the beaker. So that's what is there means the by decreasing the temperature the solubility may be decreased, and by increasing the temperature the solubility can be increased. And when the